what I was saying is like when I go to the grocery stores and stuff, you usually find, you know, the tomatoes that are out there, maybe they are not fresh, they're not ripe. That is the problem still. I think.
I have to be honest.
I find my opinion. I don't know.
I love pasta with tomato in the base. So simple. It's my preference. I eat this every day when I'm in Italy. Honestly, the rare time I go. When I go out of Italy, I get difficulty with it because I find a different taste. And but I cannot complain the place when I go because maybe I don't have to eat this pasta. It's a little bit difficult reply. One taste. Also, if I want to do the same, I don't know, the mutabali in Italy, the other thing, they are different. I don't know how can I explain that.
No, I understand.
There is a different taste. There is a different taste, and you miss something. You miss something. Of course, you can do one Italian, very close Italian taste, but no, find the right element.
It's the hard part.
You have to learn it. Also because I repeat, Italian, they care a lot about the element they're going to use. Because cooking have to be very, very fast. And then the most important stuff is what you're going to use. What they teach us when cooking is don't mix too much. To put the very, very, very few elements together, because anyway, if the element is good, you get the good. What the normally
The basic is the most important thing.
Yeah,
exactly. The foundation.
Exactly. The foundation of the food is right.
Sorry, I don't want to.
This is a very simple pasta.
Can you put it on the plate?
We will share.
Of course, we have to try.
That's amazing cooking. You have to see how.
Why not?
So you're staying here till when?
Sorry?
You're staying in Riyadh till when?
Until 11, if I remember well. I don't remember exactly because I have to check my ticket. But I think it's 11 night. I have to leave.
Planning for
Until 11 I will be here, and after I come back in Abu Dhabi, of course.
Maybe I'll visit you in Abu Dhabi.
I will be very patient. You know,
Why don't you try an interview late?
Looks amazing.
It's not
Very modest, very modest chef.
Can I put a little bit of cheese?
You can. Please.
Okay.
Grazie.
Okay. Buon appetito.